In Canada, there's a place where time feels different. Deep lakes hide ancient forests, protected by the Anishinaabe people for centuries. Here, the world's oldest pines stand untouched by human hands, and your spirit awakens like morning mist over the lake. In this secret haven, where ancient canoe routes intersect like loon echoes from the past, they say the spirits find their refuge. This is Temagami. North of Muskoka, it stands an ancient guardian of North American wilderness. In its towering peaks, pristine lakes, and where your spirit seems guided by the wisdom of ancient trees. Here, sunsets linger, painting the sky with hues of dreams. Stars twinkle with a brilliance that touches the soul. Even the dogs rest in the embrace of serenity. Let your spirit rise and discover the hidden jewel known as Temagami.